Hi everyone. So, this is going to be a quick one. This was last week's, what it ended up finishing up to be, with all my writing on it. Just had kind of a crazy week, lots going on. We had the holiday, did a lot of cleaning yesterday, and then starting today's, I decided, okay, I wanted to leave this side open because normally it ends up being these sides. And I goofed because we are doing some major wood cutting outside, and I got distracted because my sons and husband are out there doing that. And so I got distracted when I was trying the tape out to see, and I went all the way to the end. So it's no big deal. I will just do whatever I decide to for doodles on there. I think I'm going to do some pumpkins. Down the sides, not sure what I'm going to put on. I've been going with kind of green. This is for me, this is going to be my third, because we have the first week of October. This is the second. This is the third week of October. My husband's birthday's this week. My sister's birthday was Friday the 13th. I'm just using, by the way, just using my super tips. Some orange, some browns. So these are, I've put in washi this time. I did it on this edge because I wanted to keep this edge open to put, I'm not sure if I'm going to do doodles or stickers yet. But at this point, this is where I'm at. Sunday, it's for family dinner we're going to do. And it's meatloaf because everybody loves meatloaf. Mashed potatoes. And our garden veggies. I think it's going to be carrots and string beans. Actually, wax beans because they're the yellow beans. And we're doing cutting trees. Monday, don't have anything, but Tuesday is my husband's birthday. And Wednesday will be our early release at school. And then on Saturday, that's my cleaning day. I usually do a load of laundry sometimes in the middle of the week, just so that I don't have a ton to do, because I will be doing linens. So my bedroom, towels for laundry, and their normal cleaning stuff. Sometimes I, do get a load of laundry in on Friday night so that Saturdays isn't taken all with. And I'm hoping today to get some mulled cider. I got some cider and I got some mulling spices yesterday at the health food store. So I'd like to do some mulled cider today. We have a little bonfire going, and it's pretty smoky right now out there because they're burning up some of the brush and that kind of stuff. So goals or notes for this week, as usual, I try to make healthy choices. I try to, drink water, because that's one of my bad points. Try to be more active. And I'm trying to work on a healthy mindset. So right now, that's what it's looking like. So together, that's what these pages are looking like. I'll probably do some more doodles in the little spaces here. I might just write all in it, because it doesn't have to have the doodles. But at this point, this is what it's looking like. I did get my October tab in, and I wrote on it with a white pen and did a little pumpkin doodle. And on this one, I did some leaves for September. So this is where we're at for October. So tune in next week so you can see how this ends up looking, and see what we'll be doing for the next week, the blank page. Hope you had a great week, and hope this next week is full of lots of fun and enjoyment and family and just good things coming to you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and share with people if you think that they would like this kind of content. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Have a great week.